What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Sam Alxr, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove the scuffs off a patent leather. I've got the Air Jordan 11 Legend boots right here, and as you can see they are in terrible condition. Like, look at all those scuffs. I've been wearing these a lot recently to play basketball, so they've got really scuffed and really dirty, and the soles just aren't looking too good either. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how you can remove the scuffs, then I'm going to show you a before and after look as well. Before I get into showing you what equipment you need, I'm going to give you a quick look of the shoes before we get into the tutorial. So to be able to remove scuffs off a patent leather, you're going to need to use three different things. The first thing you'll need is a packet of cotton pads. The second thing you'll need is acetone or nail polish remover. And then the third thing you'll need is a packet of wet wipes. Now let's get into it. Before we use the nail polish remover or cotton pads, we're going to take a wet wipe out and wipe the shoes down. That way we can make sure that when it comes to using that acetone, we're only using it on the scuffs and not just dirt. So just taking the wet wipe and giving the shoes a wipe down first. So here we have the shoes then. They're looking clean, but you can see we have a scuff right there, another scuff there, there's a scuff there, and there's a scuff there. If we were to just use the nail polish remover straight away, we'd be putting nail polish remover on dirt, and that would just be too much nail polish remover. So it's much easier to clean the shoes first. That way you can see if it's actually a scuff or it's just a bit of dirt. Now that the shoes are clean, we're just going to get straight into it. And this is the first scuff that we're going to go for right here. So I'm just going to use a nail polish remover, put it on a bit of cotton pad and just wipe down, being very careful, but just wipe it down until the scuff goes. And then just very carefully rubbing that on the patent leather. And it's completely gone. As you can see, the scuff is now pretty much completely gone, and that is how to remove scuffs using nail polish remover and cotton pads. Right now I'm just going to go over the whole shoe, get them looking fresh again, get rid of all of those scuffs, all of those little scuffs, and then I'm going to show you a before and after look of that. And then afterwards I'm going to clean up the whole shoe, get them looking fresh again, use some soap and water, and then I'm going to show you an on feet look at the very end of the video. And this is what they look like completely finished. You can see they look so much better than before. There's not a single scuff on the patent leather anymore. I'm going to show you a quick little before and after look, and then afterwards I'm going to wash them using some soap and water, freshen them up, get them looking good again, and then I'm going to show you an on feet look. Before I go though, if you are new to my channel and you do want to see more videos from me, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video, which is every single day. I do daily uploads. If you did enjoy this video, if you did find it helpful, smash that thumbs up button. It's been your boy Sam Alxr. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This shit will never stop, my future looks overseas. I'm on a new level, check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it.